Hey everybody, I'm bringing you an unboxing of my new headset for running, the RP-BTS35E by Panasonic. Just saw some reviews of them and they look really nice. So just got my delivery from Amazon today. I'm going to show you. I'm going to break the seal. Here they are. There you go. The RP-BTS35s by Panasonic. This is what I was most interested in. As you can see, it's IPX5. This was probably the most important feature that I wanted to do, and also the 3D flex clip, what makes it a lot more comfortable. I'm gonna pause it for a second, and as you can see, it comes with all the instruction manuals, the headset itself, and the charging cable. Here in this little package, here's a charging cable, the two pieces of the headset. So as you can see, the headset comes with little rubber pads, like medium. It comes by basic, by default with medium, and then you get the small ones and the big ones. Yeah, this is one of the features I really like about this headset, that you can, adjust, it's totally adjustable, adjusts to the position of your ears, and it's never going to fall off. Here's where the control basics, less, more volume, and this is the on button, and if you keep it pressed, you pair it with any Bluetooth device. You charge it through here. You have to be really careful when you put it back, because if you don't put it back correctly, it can get some, humidity or water in. So if you want to run, at rain and everything, you have to make sure this is well put in. And this is basically it. The headphones are really good. I really recommend them for running, They was, at a really good price at Amazon at 37.94 euros. So I think it's a really good price. Normally they go out by 80 bucks. So, I really recommend them. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye. Peace.